Alright, and here is the last of my current Kamen Rider 01 videos on the docket until I get my hands on that Force Riser. I'm going to talk about it in every video because I want it so bad. But here is the Progrise key connector. Now it's laying sideways because that's the way it fits on screen. It stands up like this if you want to just display some keys. And it does have a little handle, you can carry it around. But it basically is just a holder. It holds up the 4 Progrise keys, as you can see right here. Not a whole lot to it. It's very basic. It does come with the amazing Hercules key, which was another one of the keys I like. Because if you've watched my channel, you know I like beetles. You know I like helicopters and oranges and stegosauruses. And maybe now you know I like sharks. There's a lot happening here for me. But it comes with the amazing Hercules ability. Like I said, plastic holder. Nice. And for the 4 that I have right now, unless I get a Force Riser, this is probably what I'll have. It holds them, and if I leave this in the driver, then that's room for another one, and with he goes, whatever. So, but he comes with the amazing Hercules Beetle ability, strong, which is just, I love that the ability is just strong, which he'll tell you. Strong. It's actually kind of a greenish color. It's not, you can see there's the yellow. It's more of a neon green than the driver. When I first saw pictures, I thought, I'm like, that's very similarly colored to Rising Hopper, but when you see them side by side, they really are quite different shades there. I mean, they're very visually distinct from each other in hand. So yeah, so he's strong. Hercules Beetle's ability. And just like all the others, he's got a little Hercules Beetle here. He's got a little mechanical interior Hercules Beetle here. And he's strong.
Hercules Beetle's ability.
And, like all the others,
Authorize.
check it out.
Progrise. Alive, heroic, surprise. Amazing Hercules. With mighty horn-like pincers that flip the opponent helpless.
With mighty horn-like pinchers that flip the opponent helpless. That's what he says. I love those things. I almost want all of keys just so I can make them say things like, spread your wings and prepare for a force. And with mighty horn-like pinchers, flips an opponent to helpless. I can't wait to see 01 actually use that thing. Because so far we've only seen Hirobi using it. I think he only used it in the bow? I don't remember. So yeah, he's got the
Amazing impact.
amazing impact. This is amazing Hercules suit. So there's his amazing impact.
It's rise. Life rise. Kilo rise. Mega rise. Giga rise. Amazing Giga impact.
And now he has used his strong power to flip opponent to helpless with an amazing mega impact. Mega? Giga impact? Yeah, I went to Giga impact that time. But anyway, so that's it. That's the Progrise connector with the amazing Hercules Progrise key. And now they'll just stay here. Easy storage for up to 4 Progrise keys. Buy multiples, get plenty of Beetle Progrise keys, and have storage for all of your... There doesn't seem there's any way to snap together. Some of these gimmick storages for the actual pieces that go into the drivers have come with ways that you can snap them together, like the Pandora's box panels could hook together to form the Pandora's box, and you can store them that way. But in this case, it's just a little holder with a handle that holds your Progrise keys and comes with the amazing Hercules ability strong Progrise key. What? Oh, I got it too close to that, so it didn't set this off, but it set off the driver. You know what? Driver, no, just turn off. I thought maybe we'll just put one in there one more time, but we can just turn that off. It has a switch. Anyway, Progrise key connector. Amazing Hercules beetle ability. Strong. Cool.